So guys, we're at the airport. It is about 10:08 and it says he arrives at 10:18. So 10 more minutes and
you guys may have heard on several different occasions that me and my youngest son have been estranged for about 6 to 7 years. We haven't saw or spoke to each other for our own reasons, which none were really important at this point, you know. But so we took, you know, he called me. There was some circumstances and he had to call me, and we took that opportunity to open a door to start conversations and kind of, you know, rebuild on a relationship that we had, a better, stronger relationship than what we had when he was younger. And so he's decided that he wants to come for a visit. And guys, I can't tell you how excited I am. I feel like a little kid who's waiting on Santa Claus to come. Like, I'm so excited, you know, because I love my son, and I want this to be a good visit, you know. And there's a conversation that we need to have, and I hope that we can have it so when he goes back to where he's going, we can move forward and we're not holding on to those bad vibes and stuff like that. So, you know, I'm really excited, but I'm also really nervous because, you know, he's a man now. He's grown and he has his own beliefs and his own way of thinking. So conversations are a little different, but it also makes it easier because he's a grown man, and now I don't have to watch what I say around him. He's grown now, so he understands, you know, he'll get it. You know, I don't have to watch what I say because he was a kid at the time. But so today is Tuesday, and he'll be here Sunday evening, so I can't wait. But stay tuned.
So, babe, you want to tell me what you're thinking? What you thinking? So today is what?
Today's Tuesday the 10th. Wednesday the 10th.
Wednesday the 11th.
The 11th, yeah. Sorry, I've been out in the sun all day. I'm exhausted. But
Sorry, guys, for the ruckus. Harley's excited.
I didn't get to talk to him today because he was busy at work, which kind of bummed me out. But because I wanted to call and say what's up. But I'm trying not to think about the fact that he's gonna be here on Sunday because, like, I've already counted the days like 132,000 times a day. Like, okay, today's Wednesday, so then he'll be okay. So, yeah, so I'm trying not to think about it. But man, I think as the days get closer, I get nervous and more nervous and more nervous. So about seeing CJ. So, but yeah, that's where I'm at today.
But you got this.
Do I? That's why you're gonna be there, and Tori's gonna be there.
Arnett strong.
Arnett strong.
We got this.
Bam! Right there. He's an Arnett though too, so he's like immune to that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We're Arnett strong. We got this.
So,
I mean, I'm sure it's not easy for him either. I'm sure it's probably a little overwhelming for him too. It's probably, you know, thinking about what he's gonna say, I'm sure he's wondering, like, what is his reaction gonna be when you guys finally look at each other again. Like, I mean, I'm sure that there's stuff going through. But you got this, babe. All right, guys. Well, since Carlos doesn't have much, I think by Friday the story will get a little deeper.
I'm just like, I don't know what else to say. Like, I've been thinking about it all day. Like I said, on the way to work, I was like, okay, today's Wednesday, so Thursday I'm off. Fridays will be easy days. Saturday's Monster Trucks. So then Sunday will be right here.
Yes, guys, we're going to Monster Trucks.
Yeah, we're going to Monster Trucks on Saturday, but
I'm excited.
So yeah, that's what I've been doing all day. But then I was driving myself crazy, so I had to focus on put my mind into work like I'm supposed to, and try not to think about coming. That. So check back tomorrow.
All right. Hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
How you doing?
I'm alright.
How was your day today?
So I was bored and nervous all day. Like I was like, yo, it's Thursday. CJ's gonna be here Sunday. That's 3 days away. And then I told him I was like, I'm excited for Sunday. I can't wait for Sunday. I feel like a kid. And he was like, me too. So that was cool. But yeah, I'm a little nervous.
So
Like I feel like
what you did today?
laundry.
That's it?
That's it.
I said we were going to see what he did when we got home, right? That's all he did. So laundry.
I did a lot of laundry though. And I went to the supermarket and I bought
by himself, like a big boy.
Oh my God.
And bought cold cuts.
And
made himself a sandwich today.
And I made myself 2 sandwiches today.
That was cute. Anyway, guys. So, this is where we are. Thursday, August 12th. CJ will be here Sunday. As I already told you guys just a few minutes ago on my portion of the video. It's getting closer. The anticipation is getting stronger. He's so silly. And as I stated before, I just can't wait for Sunday to come. For that moment of, oh my God, shock to be over. And for my husband and his son to finally start their new chapter in their lives. As father and son.
Word.
That being said.
It'll be great.
With that being said. My husband's special, guys. Don't mind him. Are you looking at the camera?
I'm looking at the camera.
It didn't look like you was looking at the camera.
Are you looking at the camera?
That's what he does to me all the time, guys. He'd be like, and behind the scenes, he'd be like, look at the camera. Anyway. So, tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow's Friday. Will be a day and a half closer to the moment. And we will check back again tomorrow, guys. See you then.
Stop talking shit.
I didn't even say anything. I just repeated what you would have said. I don't understand why that's a problem.
Is that what you do when you miss me?
What?
Just act like an ass?
Don't I always act like an ass?
No, not all the time. Sometimes you can be very sweet.
You said this morning, it was 6 o'clock in the morning.
And you started with your shit.
You were like, already starting at 6 o'clock in the morning.
That was yesterday.
Was it yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was yesterday. When I was complaining about the toilet paper.
Because I didn't have toilet paper in my bathroom.
Bruh. Why?
When I needed to go to the bathroom, I would have put toilet paper in there.
Oh, so you're the only one that uses that bathroom now?
So, well, as of late.
You used the last of the toilet paper.
As of recently, you've been using the bathroom.
So why wouldn't you replace it? Like, why wouldn't you put another toilet paper in there? Like, I don't understand why that's a problem. I just don't get it.
I don't understand why all of a sudden you have a problem with what's in that bathroom or what's not in that bathroom.
Really? Really? Really?
Let me sip my coffee.
Yeah, do that. You recording?
I'm recording. I've been recording since I sat down. Guys, so we have got our tickets and are aboard the battleship already. Let me get you a 360.
Yeah, go that way.
So
you see the front of the ship that way.
That's what it looks like.
So, babe, how you feeling?
Man, I look
morning?
like shit.
I don't care. How you feeling this morning?
I'm exhausted.
It's Sunday, guys. Hold on. It's Sunday, August 15th at 9:30 a.m. The CJ will be here this evening by about 7 p.m. How you feeling, babe?
I'm exhausted. Let me tell you why I'm exhausted.
He hasn't slept in 2 days.
I haven't slept in 2 days. And Lexi thinks this shit is funny. I haven't slept
only because I know it's for a good cause. Like if he wasn't sleeping, guys, for something bad was wrong with him, then I'd be stressed. But I know why he can't sleep.
I went to bed at 9:30 yesterday, and I never fully went to sleep. And my happy pills put me out. On a normal basis, my happy pills put me out, and they just did not do the job. Like I was tired. It didn't work
Friday night either.
I was tired
early on Friday too.
I was tired and still wide awake. Like I could not go to sleep. So I'm exhausted, and it's because I'm super excited. I'm really excited. Like I can't believe that he's gonna be here. Like I've waited all this time to have my son come home, and he's gonna be here for a week. He's gonna be here, and we got a lot of catching up to do. So I'm relishing the thought of the moment when I see him,
which I will record, guys. Don't worry, you'll see
which
it.
I'm sure Alexi's gonna catch me all emotional and stuff like that. But
and when I'm gonna catch you right before we get to the airport too, because it's gonna be.
So I think it's really gonna hit me when he gets on the plane, and I'm like, oh shit, he's on his way here. Mm-hmm. So, but for right now, I'm exhausted. So that's why I'm having my cup of coffee.
Second cup of coffee, right?
Yeah, it's my second cup.
All right, guys, we'll be back. Hey, guys. So we are on our way to the airport to pick up CJ. Babe.
After the day I've had, man, I'm just relieved that I'm relieved at this point. But I'm really nervous. Like I can't stop sweating. Like I'm sweating my ass off. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I got the AC full blast on top of me because I'm sweating so much.
He's burning up over here.
But yeah, so just a few things that happened, man. Like I said a few minutes ago, CJ doesn't drive, so we had an issue getting him to the airport, and then he missed his flight, the connecting flight, and he's inexperienced flying. He's not an experienced flyer, and he's doing it by himself. So he missed his flight, and then it was a struggle to figure out how we're gonna get to the next, get him down here. Like it was a whole thing. Like at one point he was like, I just want to go home, and I don't blame him for feeling that way. So, but yeah, we're on our way.
We're on our way to the airport, guys. You guys will see it all. We'll be back. 10 more minutes, and Carlos is in the bathroom. But yeah, we got 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes.